Good afternoon, students, and welcome to Sofia. Sofia is going to be your new online homework math assignment platform. So today, we're going to go over how to log into Sofia using your Tequesta student ID and how to access your first assignment. So, the first thing you're going to do in order to log into Sofia is put your Tequesta student ID, which should begin with the number 0, enter the full ID into the username, and then enter the same number, which you can copy it and paste it into the password, because your user ID will be your username and password when you first log into Sofia. Go ahead and click Sign In. You'll be asked to accept our Sofia end user license agreement. It's just a general set of rules and regulations that we ask you follow when you decide to use Sofia. You can take a look at it or have your parents read it, and then you can choose to accept and continue to Sofia. If you don't accept the end user license agreement, unfortunately, you won't be able to use Sofia. So we're going to click Accept and Continue to Sofia. Now, we're going to be brought to our Sofia locker within our actual course. As you can see, we already have an assignment assigned to us. This one doesn't have a due date, but that's okay, we still have to do it. And we're told in our assignment progress that 0 out of 1 assignments are currently completed. So, because I want to look and do this assignment, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the Assignments link on my left-hand tab. So I'm going to click on Assignments now. When I click on Assignments, I'm brought to a list of all the assignments that are assigned to me and currently active. I can see that the active assignment is how to use the Sofia answer palette. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This is going to bring you to your first Sofia assignment. Now, this assignment is going to teach you how to use Sofia and how to use the Sofia answer palette. So when you get this assignment, follow the instructions closely, read what they say, and enter the appropriate responses into the answer palette. Once you're completed with the assignment, go ahead and hit Submit. If at any point in time you have to do something else, you can always hit Save and Close, and you'll save your work in the assignment, and you can always return to the assignment by clicking on it again where it has the status of In Progress, and you can continue working on the assignment. When you're finished, go ahead and hit Submit. Now, there's some additional things that I'd like to show you. For one, if you have any questions, you can always go ahead and click Email Your Instructor, and it's going to send an email to your instructor, just like that. That way, Instructor Cordobes can know if you have any questions about a particular question on an assignment. Additionally, when you've completed an assignment or you're beginning an assignment, it'll show up in the gradebook. You can always click on the gradebook to see the status of your assignments that you've done and see what your grades are. And that's where your grades are going to show up when you receive a grade for any assignment you've done. So, this concludes how to access Sofia and how to access your Sofia assignments. We're now going to look at how to change your password for Sofia once you log in. So, when you're logged into Sofia, you're probably going to want to change your password. You can do this by going to the top right-hand corner where you will see that there's a little person on a profile button. You can click on it, you'll see your name, and you can click Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, you can put your new password. Make sure the email still says lissy.cordobes@browardschools.com. That's because Instructor Cordobes is in charge of all your emails. So therefore, you want to leave this email, so if you have to change your email or anything to do with your account, it's always going to go through your instructor and your teacher. So please never change this email. You can always update your password, but never change this email. Go ahead and click Save. And just like that, your password is going to be updated. And you can always log out and log back in using the new password. So this concludes the initial walkthrough of how to use Sofia.